With the increasing threat from China's rapid military buildup and increased aggression in the Western Pacific region, the United States Air Force now finds that its tanker force, which is a critical component in any potential conflict in the Pacific region, is more vulnerable than ever before. With the rapid proliferation of Chinese fifth-generation fighters and long-range missiles, a solution is needed. Are stealth tankers the answer to this increased threat? Let's find out. Coming up next on the Stealth Channel. The United States Air Force launched its search for the Next Generation Air-Refueling System, or NGAS, a stealthy tanker project intended to deliver its first aircraft around 2040, with a January 31, 2023 request for information to industry. The new tanker is to be capable of surviving in contested airspace, but the service is open to all ideas about its size and performance. The RFI marks the formal start of what has previously been called the KCZ. The KCX program became the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus, which is now being acquired. The KCY has become the so-called bridge tanker, which is still in definition. The U.S. Air Force is now referring to the KCZ program as the NGAS program, or Increment 3 of its three-phase tanker recapitalization effort. This recapitalization effort is designed to replace the service's legacy tankers, the long-serving Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker and the McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender. U.S. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall, speaking on a Council on Foreign Relations webinar on January 11, 2023, said the threat posed by China is driving the Air Force away from traditional tankers, wherein a commercial aircraft is adapted into a mobility aircraft. The threat's taking that freedom away from us, he said, adding that with new cargo and tanker aircraft designs, USAF has to put a high premium on survivability. Chinese and other adversary aircraft and missiles can track tankers and shoot them from long range, compelling the Air Force to move toward survivable concepts, he said. The new tanker will have to move beyond traditional concepts and survive in an environment the current fleet hasn't had to work in. While the Air Force wants the future tanker to be able to operate in a contested environment against a high-end threat, it does not specifically call for technologies that have long been assumed to be needed, such as autonomy and stealth characteristics. The Air Force wants to begin analysis of alternatives work on the NGAS in October 2023. The RFI states, the team is seeking information on innovative industry solutions that might fulfill the most stressing and complex air refueling mission requirements of the future fight. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the United States Air Force's Next Generation Air-Refueling System, which may indeed produce stealth tankers for the U.S. Air Force. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment to help our channel grow. Be sure to check out our community tab to learn the latest stealth news and follow us on our new Instagram channel, which is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.